In this video, I will show you how to add a location in Snapchat. So let's get started. To add a location in Snapchat, make sure Snapchat has permission to use your location. To do that, go to your phone settings, tap General, now find Snapchat and enable location access. Now open Snapchat app on your mobile. Once open, just take a snap where you want to add the location. Now I have captured a snap. Let's add location to it. Now tap sticker option on the right side. Now at the top, you will find an option location. Just tap on it. Wait for a couple of seconds and location pop-up will appear. Just choose the location using search bar, and once you find the location, select it. And location will be added to your snap. Now you can align and resize it as needed. So that is how you can add location in Snapchat. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.